Greetings fellow plant lovers. Welcome back to Gardening Glory. Today, we're delving deep into the enchanting world of endless summer plants. If you've ever marveled at their gorgeous blooms and wondered how to keep them in tip-top shape, you're in for a treat. In this comprehensive video, we're leaving no leaf unturned as we explore the ins and outs of caring for your endless summer plant. But before we start discussing the care tips, let's get to know the endless summer plant. This remarkable hydrangea variety boasts the unique ability to bloom on both old and new growth, granting you a continuous burst of blossoms throughout the growing season. Besides, it's a cold hardy hydrangea, which means it can withstand varying climates with grace. If you intend to add these stunning beauties in your garden, here is what you need to do. Step 1. Choosing the perfect location. Before you even get your hands in the dirt, choosing the right spot is paramount. Endless summer plants thrive in areas with dappled sunlight, where they can soak in morning rays and enjoy afternoon shade. Be cautious not to expose them to intense, direct sunlight, as it can scorch their delicate leaves. Step 2. Planting process. Your soil choice plays a starring role in your endless summer plant's health. Opt for well-draining soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH level. When it's time to plant, dig a hole that's around twice the diameter of the root ball. Fill it with your carefully prepared soil mixture and give it a good watering. Step 3. The art of watering. Let's talk hydration. Consistent moisture is essential, but soggy soil is a no-go. Aim to water deeply, ensuring the root zone gets a good soak. Water a couple of times per week, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Remember, it's all about finding that balance. Step 4. Fertilizing for optimal blooms. Proper fertilization equals vibrant blooms. Feed your endless summer plant with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in the spring, and then repeat the process in mid-summer. However, resist the temptation to over-fertilize, as excessive nutrients can result in more foliage and fewer blooms. Step 5. Pruning practices for success. Pruning is your plant's spa day. Come early spring, start by removing any dead wood and trimming back old stems. This encourages new growth and helps shape the plant for optimal blooming. Don't be shy, be deliberate in your cuts for the best results. Step 6. Winter care and protection. As temperatures drop, it's time to ensure your endless summer plant is cozy. Apply a thick layer of organic mulch around the base, providing insulation for the roots during winter. This extra layer of protection guards against frost and freeze-thaw cycles. Step 7. Troubleshooting common issues. Now, let's troubleshoot. Keep an eye out for unwanted guests like aphids or powdery mildew. If you spot any issues, tackle them swiftly using appropriate insecticides or fungicides. Vigilance is your best ally in keeping your plant healthy. And that, dear plant enthusiasts, concludes our comprehensive guide to caring for your endless summer plant. Remember, with the right location, diligent watering, expert pruning, and a dash of patience, you'll be rewarded with an abundance of stunning blooms that will leave you speechless. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more invaluable plant care insights. Wishing you endless joy in your gardening endeavors, and until next time, keep nurturing those green wonders.